In this video, I am going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in HP DeskJet 4200 series printer. First step is to switch on the printer and also take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Open this section and then open the door behind it. Wait for the cartridges to move and come into the middle. To remove the old cartridges, press them down and then take it out. Take your new ink cartridge, remove the orange seal that is usually here and then place it inside. This will go here, color ink cartridge. Slide it in and then push it in. Hold the printer with the other hand. You will hear a lock sound. And then do it same with the black ink cartridge. Close the door and go to the printer display panel. On the panel, look for the ink cartridge icon. We can see all the ink are full and it may print a alignment page, so make sure you load the paper in the paper tray. Once you scan it, then you can start using it. Thanks for watching.